Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. Why is India lagging behind in AI while China uses DeepSeek and the US uses OpenAI? What are the reasons behind this gap, and most importantly, what can India do to bridge it? Let's break it down step by step. Backbone of modern technology, the US with companies like OpenAI, Google and Microsoft is leading the global AI revolution. China with its massive investments had developed its own AI models like DeepSeek, competing directly with ChatGPT. But where does India stand? Unfortunately, despite being a country with one of the largest IT workforces, India is not leading in its AI development. The reason is lack of infrastructure and computing power. AI development requires high-end GPUs, large data centers, and supercomputers. The US has companies like Nvidia and China has its own semiconductor industry. India, however, depends heavily on imports for advanced computing hardware. Insufficient investment in AI research. The US government and private companies invest billions of dollars in AI research. China has made AI a national priority and pumps billions into AI startups. India's funding in AI research is comparatively low, and most tech companies focus on services rather than innovation. Brain drain talent moving abroad. Many India's engineers and researchers move to the US and Europe due to better opportunities. As a result, India is training top AI talent, but they are contributing to foreign companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta instead of building AI in India. Weak collaboration between industry and academia. In the US, universities like MIT, Stanford, Harvard work closely with the tech companies for AI research. In India, however, there is a gap between universities and the industry, which slows down AI innovation. What should India do to catch up? Government-led AI development. The Indian government must launch a national AI mission with a dedicated fund of billions of dollars to boost AI research and development. Build AI supercomputers and cloud infrastructure. India must invest in supercomputers, high performance GPUs, and AI data centers to create a solid foundation for AI innovation. Startups in India must get easy funding, tax benefits, and government support to develop competitive AI models. The red tape and long approval processes must be minimized. Higher salaries and better research facilities must be provided by the Indian government. The government should create clear guidelines on data sharing and privacy, allowing AI models to be trained within India without legal hurdles. India must develop its own semiconductor industry to stop dependence on foreign imports. Yes, India has the talent, mobility, market, and potential to become the global AI superpower. We need strong policies, heavy investment, and a long-term vision to make it happen. What do you think? Can India bridge the gap of AI development from US and China? What are your thoughts? Comment down. Like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.